Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hashim Mahmood and I'm a student at Rahan School Foundation. Today we will be completing our day 52 task and we will be reviewing Biha Haider's TED Talk which is titled Challenging Gender Norms in Sports. If you don't know Abiha, she is one of Pakistan's most prominent female athletes. She has represented Pakistan internationally in both soccer and Australian rules football. But what makes her talk so compelling isn't just her athletic resume, it is how she breaks down the invisible walls that hold women back from playing sports in developing countries like Pakistan. In this talk, she is not just asking for she's not just asking for better sports equipment, she's asking us to completely rethink how we raise young girls and how society views female ambition. Uh, so the first thing she talks about is what she experienced. Abiha starts by describing how she calls the cultural script handed to young girls from a very young age. Girls are subtly taught that physical exertion, competition, and public play are reserved for men, while women should focus strictly on domestic white endeavors. When Abiha decided to play football, she wasn't just competing against another team on the pitch, she was competing against societal judgments. People asked why a girl was on the field, why she was wearing athletic attire, or why she wasn't choosing a safer path. She points out that the biggest hurdles female athletes face in Pakistan fall into three categories. First is social stigma, dealing with community gossips, safety concerns, and rigid expectations. The second thing she talks about is lack of infrastructure. Women rarely have access to dedicated grounds, locker rooms, or secure training. The third thing she talks about is financial inequity. Female sports teams receive a fraction of the funding, sponsorships, and media coverage compared to male sports. The next thing she talks about is why sports matter on beyond the field. The core message of Abiha's talk is that sport is not just a hobby or a game, it is a crucial tool for socio-economic empowerment. When a woman steps onto a sport field, three major transformations happen. Mental resilience. She learns how to handle failure, pressure, and competition, which builds confidence in her professional life. Leadership and autonomy. She takes ownership of her physical body and decisions, challenging the idea that women must seek permission to occupy space. The third thing is breaking generational cycles. When one girl plays sports with the support of her family, it sets a precedent for her sisters, cousins, and the next generation of girls in her community. Abiha stresses that progress doesn't happen by accident. It requires people to actively ask why not, why shouldn't a girl play football, why shouldn't she represent herself. Moving on to the final part of this review, to in which she talks about that changing gender norms in sports isn't just the job of one female athlete. It requires many allies, supportive parents, better government funding, and media coverage uh, takes uh, takes women athletics seriously. If you haven't watched her talk yet, I highly recommend checking out Abiha Heather's TEDx talk. It is a quick, powerful watch that reminds us of how much potential is unlocked when you simply give women an equal playing field. So this was it for today. I hope you guys learned something new from this. Bye bye, and of course, Allah Hafiz.